Nati. I got a thing for big checks. If it ain't about the money, then I click next.
Hello my loves, hola mis amores, Nati over here. Y estoy aquí para decirles a ustedes un truco. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick in how I paint my eyebrows when I don't need makeup every single day. So con eso no van a necesitar maquillarse las cejas en por lo menos un par de días. Ok, so el truco que yo uso es, this is what I use, Premium Brow Henna. So I'm pretty sure if you guys ever been to like the Indian spots where you guys throw your eyebrows, they have this option for you in the end. So basically it's like eyebrow tinting. Es como una tinta de cejas. Pero a mí me encanta, yo lo hago yo misma en mi casa porque es súper fácil. Entonces le quiero enseñar como yo lo uso. I use a little bit of water, like this. I use a little bit of water and a bottle cap, and a water bottle cap, just a little bit. And then I add some of the powder inside the bottle cap. You guys can see it right there. So I got this off of Amazon. Voy a poner el link. I'm gonna put the link under this video. And I also got this on Amazon. Basically, it's like an eyebrow pencil or brush. It's an eyebrow brush. We're gonna mix, vamos a mezclar the water with the powder. Make sure you stir it really good, like that. So what we're gonna do while we wait for the 10 minutes, we're gonna take the other side of the brush, just like this, and then we're gonna brush our eyebrows out. Before you tint your eyebrows, make sure you do your eyebrows. Make sure you take out any little hair sticking out. You see, like I have the eyebrows a little bit too long for my liking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it down, and then I'm gonna take a little scissor and I'm gonna cut the excess on it, just like this. Because I don't want it to look long and bushy. This is also good for when you have little spots that you want it to grow in. You just tint it and it makes it look like you have the hair there even though it's not. En español, como estaba diciendo, es que el tintado de ceja es muy bueno para cuando nos falta, tenemos un huequito de cejas que queremos que crezca. Usamos esto y disimula el huequito que hay. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then we're gonna take the other side of the brush, and then we're gonna basically draw our eyebrow out.
Pa' no coger un pique, estoy soltera como Shakira, por decir que era lunática.
I make sure I make the front look a little bit boxy.
Matemática, dividiste y te hace falta Nati, moa.
Make sure you get the top really good. If you go over any spots, it's okay to take a little napkin and just like erase it, I would say. So you see how I went over a little bit there? It's just okay before it dries up to just like clean it out a little bit. It's very simple and quick and easy. Traten de coger todos los pelitos, traten de mojar todos los pelitos. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second eyebrow. This is so quick and easy, you guys. It takes less than 10 minutes.
Hace rato que banda yo te vi. I got so much better things ahead of me.
And then after this, usually I wait 15 to 20 minutes. Usualmente yo espero 15 a 20 minutos after I do this. And it's like the best because after you take it off, you have a really nice color to your eyebrows and you don't really need to paint it. So here we're gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be back. Guys, so I'm back. It's been around 20 minutes. So what I do is I take a makeup remover wipe or a cotton, whatever you want, a cotton ball with water. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wipe. It should look like this. I'm gonna wipe the tint. You guys, the color that I used is my preference. I like my eyebrows dark. If you have blonde hair, if you have brown, red hair, they have different types of tints. Si tiene diferentes colores de pelos, puedes usar en el link que voy a poner. Hay diferentes colores de polvo. So no se preocupen. You want to wipe till the cloth comes out clean, or as clean as it can. So let's do the other side.
It's funny you thought this was a game. I call it game over, no play.
And that is it, you guys. This is the simple look. This is how I keep my eyebrows looking nice without having makeup on them all the time. I'm gonna show you guys the product. I am gonna be doing more beauty tips and other topics, so make sure you subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much.